Today I am going to explain you the basic grammar pattern of Japanese language that is useful for N5 level. This is Koumei Kyoiko, Nihongo Kyoiko, Japanese classes. So let us see the some patterns which I have taken to explain today. That is adjective. In Japanese language, there are two types of adjectives. One is adjective and the other is na adjective. So what is the adjective first? Adjective means the word which we use to represent the noun or to give more information about the noun, that is known as adjective. Adjective. In Japanese only there are two types of adjective. In other language there are not like this na and adjective. Okay, so in Japanese there are two types of adjective. Here I have texted like adjective and na adjective. So the words or the adjectives which are ending with e, now at the end of the each adjective, if e is there, it is known as adjective. Okay, every adjective ends with the letter e. There are some of the exceptional readings which ends with e, but that are not the adjectives. One or two exceptional readings are there, that also we will see. So here let us start to read the adjective. So Thakai is tall or expensive, Hikui is short, Atsui is hot, Oishi yummy, Samui is cold, Atatakai is warm. It is used for to show the climate, and here Atsui also for the climate, Atsui, and even for to describe about the whether the any drinks whether it is uh, hot or not. So for that also Atsui is used. That is Atsui kohi desu, ocha wa Atsui desu. So that is to show the drinks also, means the thing which is hot by touch is also used Atsui, and for the climate also we use the word Atsui. So here Samui we use as a cold, but this Samui is only used for the climate only, not for the any drinks, means anything which is by touch. If it is cold, it is not known as Samui, so it is known as Sumetai. Actually it is also e adjective, but Sumetai is used the thing which are cold by touch, and Samui is used for the climate. Okay, Atatakai is warm. Again, this is for climate. Osoi is late. Some persons are very loose in their, means they do not follow any timings and any rules. For that type of persons also we use Osoi, and Osoi means late also, means late for the time also. So Osoi is late. Opposite of Osoi is Hayai, early. Okay, if we are very early, so I wake up early, that is also Hayai. E is good, Varui is bad. So E and Varui opposite words. Osoi and Hayai again opposite words. Here Thakai and Hikoi are opposite words. Okay, Atsui and Samui is also opposite words. So only 10 E adjectives I have taken here. But in Japanese language, for N5 and N4 level, both levels, if we count the E adjectives, that might be like nearly about 140, 150 E adjectives we have to learn. So if any textbook, if you are referring, take the list of all the adjective for your practice. Okay, make the list of all the adjective. Here some of the na adjective you can see on the board. Some of the na adjectives are there. Here you notice that na is not written with the na adjective. We can put na in the bracket here. Every time na is not added with the na adjective. Okay, we should memorize this, and by memorizing only we can understand whether it is na adjective. Okay, E adjective is very easy to recognize because it ends with E, but not like that. Na adjective is we have to memorize. Okay, because it does not contain na uh, along with the adjective. Some rules are there where we use na along with the na adjective. Okay, so that rules we will see afterwards. But here these are some of the na adjective, and here if you notice this abuna. You may is also ending with E, and these are the na adjectives. Although it is ending with E, but these are the na adjective. Still some more are there like kirei. Kirei is very common word. Kirei means neat and clean, or kirei means it is beautiful also. But as it ends with E, but it is not E adjective. It is also na adjective. Okay, so yeah. Let us see. Benri is convenient. Kantan is easy. Abunai dangerous. Yume is famous. Ski is favorite. Adjective. Jobu sturdy. Hima is free time. Nigiyaka is lively or Nigiyaka is crowded. Jozu is skillful and Heta is not skillful, which is opposite of Jozu. Jozu is opposite of Heta. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let us see some of the rules we will learn about the E adjective, how to convert this E adjective into negation. When we use any adjective in the sentence, and if we want to convert the sentence into negation, then we do not end the verb into negation, we make the negation of the adjective. This is one of the rule in the Japanese grammar. Okay, so we convert the adjective into negation. We do not end the sentence with the negation of the verb. We do not make negation of the verb. We convert the adjective into negation. I am not taking any examples of the sentences by using this rule. I am just taking here the rules of converting E adjective into negation. First, we will learn this how to convert the adjective into negation into past tense also and past negation. If the action is done in the past, then we have to convert the E adjective into past, and if it is negation in the past, then we should convert the E adjective into past negation. So let us see Thakai. Okay, here I took this some of the E adjectives, and I highlighted here the last letter E, and even I given one scratch on this E because this E, when we convert this adjective into negation, E will be replaced with the kunai. E will be replaced with kunai. Okay, remove E and add kunai, and the final word will be thaka kunai. So the pronunciation of that is thaka kunai. Remove E, add kunai. This is the basic rule of converting the E adjective into any negation. Any E adjective, you can take any E adjective, and while converting this E adjective, just remove E, add kunai. This is the basic rule. Okay. Next is hiku E. E is removed and replaced by kunai. Hiku kunai. Atsu E, and replace E with kunai. Atsu kunai. Oishi. Okay. This oishi. So replace E with kunai. Oishi kunai. Samui, samukunai. Atatakai will become atataka kunai. Atataka kunai is negation of atatakai. And here I highlighted this full E adjective, seventh one. E is written, and even I star marked this. This is the exceptional negation of E. E means good. E, two times E is there. E is dragged with E. So this E is with the kunai. It is the reading of this E will become yokunai. It is not E kunai. It is yokunai. It is exceptional reading. Okay. So just by heart these all E adjectives. Make a list of E adjective which you get from your textbook or from your the list of the vocabulary. Write down separately and convert it into negation. That will help you to make the practice of the E adjective converting into negation. Now coming to the next rules of converting E adjective into the past tense. So this is thakai. Again I highlighted E here. E is replaced with kata. On the E adjective, when you take this E adjective, so E will be replaced with kata, means thaka kata. Past of thakai, it was tall or it was expensive. If I want to say it was expensive, so it is thaka kata. Hikui hikukata. E will be replaced with kata. Atsui atsukata. Yesterday it was hot. So kino wa atsukata desu. Okay. So atsukata. Oishi, remove E and add kata. Oishikata. Okay. Yesterday I ate the ice cream and it was delicious. So oishikata desu. Samui, samukata and atatakai, atatakakata. Okay, our rule is just replace E with kata. So atataka keep as it is and add kata at the place of E. So this is the rule of converting E adjective into past affirmation. Okay, and let us move to the next part when we want to convert the E adjective into past negation. Okay, so for that what we have to do, so take the any E adjective thakai, first convert it into present negation, that will be thakakunai. That rules we just saw that rule, so just same as that thakakunai, convert it into kunai, and at the end of this kunai, E is there, replace this E with kata. Means keep this thakakuna as it is, thakakuna and kata. It was not tall. It was past tense and not negation. Okay. So thakai means tall, thakakunai means not tall, and thakakuna kata is it was not tall. Okay. So let us see, let us make some practice here. Hikui, E, E will be replace it into, convert it into kunai first. So hiku kunai and hiku kuna kata. This E replace with kata. I highlighted which letter you have to replace with kata. Okay. Atsui, atsukunai, atsukuna kata. It was not hot. Okay. Oishi, oishikunai. Oishi means delicious, yummy. Oishikunai, it is not delicious. And oishikunakata, it was not delicious. Okay. Samui, samukunai, samu kata. Okay. Samu kunakata. Okay. Here I have to, sorry, here I have to add kuna. Samu kunakata. Samu kunai, samu kunakata. Okay, atatakai, atataka kunai, and atataka kunakata. Okay, so I took only one subject here, that is how to convert the E adjective into present negation, past and past negation. So if you want any other uh, other special any grammar patterns, then let me know. Just give me a comment in the comment box. And one more thing, if you like my video, so do like, hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed yet my channel, so please subscribe my channel to see this type of basic patterns of N5 N4 level. See you again. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Bye.